In this video we are going to see about the electrical and mechanical angle. So as you know that the conductor is a part of wire which is under influence of the magnetic field to produce an induced EMF. Okay, so you can see here there are two poles, the north and south pole. The conductor, single conductor, is placed in between the north and south pole. So it has placed in 4 points 1 2 3 4. Okay, if you notice, the armature are cylindrical in nature. The outer periphery will be in cylindrical in nature. The conductor want to pass or to complete one revolution, it has to move 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4 and 4 to 1 again. So the complete one revolution from 1 to 2, 3, 4 and again 1 is nothing but a one mechanical revolution, that is nothing but a 360-degree. But in case of EMF, you can note down here. So the conductor, if I am keeping at place 1, so it is parallel to the flux lines, so that there is no EMF, so the EMF will be 0. And in case if I am placing at 2, so it perpendicular to the flux, so that it cuts the maximum flux line, so an EMF will be maximum. Similarly, and third and fourth, third will be 0 and fourth will be a negative. So if you notice here, the one cycle of 360-degree electrical, there are 2 peaks and 2 zeros. The 2 and 4, 2 will be the maximum EMF and the fourth will be the maximum EMF for the negative degree. So let's see for the 4-pole machine. If it is a 4-pole alternator, so here the 4 poles are placed, NS and NS. So usually the direction of flux will be north to south. So you can see it here. So I'm placing a conductor at the 8 places. So since it is in 4 poles, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So the flux directions will be the diagonal to this between the poles. So you can note down, if I am keeping the conductor at 1, so you can see the middle figure, so it is parallel to the flux line, so that there is no cut in flux, the conductor is, there is no cut the flux line, so that EMF will be 0. But in case of 2, the maximum number of conductors cut by the conductor, that means the flux lines are cut by the conductor, so that EMF will be maximum here. Similarly, third point it is 0 and fourth point, if you can notice, on 1 2 3 it is dealing with the north pole, and similarly 3 4 5 it is dealing with the south pole. So definitely there will be a change in direction of EMF. So the 1 2 3 are responsible for the positive means, 3 4 5 is responsible for the negative cycles, because there are two different or opposite poles, right? So similarly you can note down for the other two poles, north and south. 5 6 7 is for the positive and 7 8 and again 1 will be the negative. So if you notice, for one complete rotation of 360-degree mechanical, that means cylindrical, this usually the armature cylindrical in nature, so the 360-degree will be for one revolution. So to complete one 360-degree of mechanical angle, but you can notice here the EMF produced are 720-degree. There are 2 peaks at the positive and 2 peaks at the negative, 2 and 6 for the positive EMF, maximum EMF, and 4 and 8 are the negative maximum EMF. So the conclusion is here, The degree of induced EMF, that is the number of cycle of induced EMF, depends on the number of poles of an alternator. So 4-pole alternator, 360 degree mechanical, that means one revolution, that is equal to 720 degree electrical angle. So that's nothing but a 360 into P by 2 electrical, where P is the number of poles. Since why P by 2 is like the pairs of poles. So from that we can note down the 1 degree mechanical, 360 will be cancelled, 1 degree mechanical will be P by 2 electrical. So the mechanical angle and electrical angles relationship can be given 1 degree mechanical equal to P by 2 electrical degrees. Thank you.